Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And quick reminder before I go any further, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you are watching this video 15 hours from now, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation point of view is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate how the overall kind of the current status of the chart is at whatever time you're actually watching this video. Now, the main level and the main question that you need to ask yourself, so let's go with the 15-hour number. You're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one becomes, where is the price at relative to 34.25, which is that green line right there? That is the area I've talked about in several videos of the past. And after the past 24 hours, once again, you can see that the price, has, come down around that area. And to give credit where credit's due, 34.25 has indeed held. And as I talk right now, the price is definitely within striking distance. So it would not be shocking at all over the next 24 hours for the price to potentially, do battle with that level again. But so far, so good. The price continues to hold up above it. And when you go back into the chart's history, you can see there was some periods of time right there where the price got a bounce from it. And once again, right there, and then over the last several hours, the price has continued to hold up above there. So the question just becomes, where is the price at relative to 34.25? If you're answering the question that the price is still up above it, well, then that's good. That's a bullish sign in the sense of, well, at least the price is continuing to just chip away and apparently go sideways. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is way up, above 3,500, that would be telling you that, well, not only has the price bottomed out there, but now the bulls are actually showing some signs of strength. So there's a little bit of leeway there in common sense where, you got to ask yourself, okay, well, if the price is above 34.25, where is it? And again, if it's up above 3,500, that would be telling you that, yeah, the bulls have not only stabilized, but are now starting to show some signs of strength. On the flip side of things, though, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 34.25, again, that's where some common sense comes into play. If the price is just slightly below it, okay, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing, but that would be much different than if you're watching this 15 hours from now and the price is, all the way down there at 3,300, 3,200, something like that. So like I said, a little bit of leeway in there, and got to use your gut instincts and common sense, but overall, the primary point here is that going forward, 34.25 and how the price continues to react right around that level is definitely going to be the key level to watch going forward. So we'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.